Hi, welcome. Today I'll be baking a sponge cake with a little color. 2 eggs have been added to the bowl with 100 grams of granulated white sugar. Now I'm gonna whisk it in until it becomes creamy or mix it. Then I will add 70 milliliters of oil. You can use vegetable oil, you can use coconut oil, use the oil of your choice as long as it is cooking oil. Next up, I will add 100 grams of milk to my bowl. After which, I will add a teaspoon of vanilla and mix in all the ingredients together. Just whisk in all the ingredients. Adding the vanilla give it a lovely flavor. Next, I will add 1 1/4 cup of flour, then 10 grams of baking powder, a pinch of salt. After adding flour and baking powder, I will mix. Make sure it becomes liquid, no lumps is available. Then I'll pour in the baking container. I will only pour some of the mixture and leave back some to add the food coloring to, so I can get it to be colored and actually look like a little marble cake like. I also add a tablespoon of rum to help to eliminate some of the rawness from the egg. Now the amount of mixture that is left into the container, I'll pour some color marine into it and mix it round. After which I will pour it into the baking container that I have already poured some into so it can form a nice color. After pouring the mixture with the coloring, I will use a matching stick and try to make a little art decoration on it that when it bakes it will actually form into some little decoration or some pattern I should say. After which I will place in the oven for half an hour to 45 minutes and allow it to bake. After 30 minutes, my easy sponge cake has baked with a little color on top and a little pattern. Here we have it. Now we're going to cut into it and see what it looks like. See the texture, see if it's like sponge, see if it's baked properly. Yes, it has baked properly. It tastes good and it is spongy. The texture is nice and it has a nice color when you cut it.